Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set incoming calls to banner or full screen. So in this device, just wait for a few seconds. I am going to make a call to this number. Then you can see now this is the banner format. So let me show you how to set to the full screen format. For this, simply go to settings, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option apps. Tap on this one. Then from the list of applications, select the application phone. Then here you can see the option incoming calls. Tap on this one. So if you want to switch to full screen, then select this one. Okay, select this one. Now I am going to make a call to this number. Then you can see the call in the full screen. Okay, now just wait for a few seconds to make this call. You can see full screen code, you can see, right?